Hello everyone, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. What we're going to look at today is the Petromax K8. It's a cast iron loaf pan with a lid. So it's fairly weighty. They do a K4, which is about half the size. It's slightly narrower. Well, this weighs in at 9.1 kilos, which is about 20 pounds. But quite versatile and made with the old cast iron, which is perfect for outdoor cooking, etc. So let's unbox it. So what we're going to do, some polystyrene, which we will not be needing. The cast iron lid, as you can see on the lid, it's got some ridges on here. You can use that as a griddle. On the other side, it has feet and a handle. Obviously, if you're using that, you'd want to use the Petromax lid lifter to lift that off. These do get very hot when it's been cooking, certainly if it's on open fire. There's not a lot to get hold of there, so don't want to burn your fingers. Get some gloves on as well. So that will sit nicely on its feet. You may notice a little bit like the Dutch ovens. It has a little notch in here. That's so that you can get a thermometer probe through and see what the temperature inside the Dutch oven is running at. That's the lid. There's a bit of paper and packaging. And we'll lift out the Dutch oven itself. As you can see on here, there's a corresponding notch. So you put the lid on, and there's a little triangular identification there, and that's the notch for putting the thermometer through. So you can use it for casseroles, cakes, loaves, basically pretty much anything really. And then you could fry or griddle or a steak or on the lid. So quite a versatile item. That's going to say about it. Fairly heavy construction, pre-seasoned like all Petromax cast iron things. It says really to give it a wash before use, but as it's pre-seasoned, you can use it straight after it's been washed. Just give it an initial wash off some of them up. What I do once it's done is wash them out. I put it back on the hob or the gas, warm it up slowly, allow it all the moisture and water to evaporate, allow it to cool down, rub in a bit of vegetable oil, and then put it away. Keep it nice and dry. Great item, should last a lifetime. With all Petromax items like this cast iron, you can get the Petromax soft bag for it. So I can put that in there. The bag is optional. You buy that as an additional extra. Doesn't come with the K8 itself. But I like to, I don't want to keep putting it back in its cardboard box all the time, so I like to use it, the bags, which are nice, they zip up nicely. And there you go, the Petromax K8. Up and coming video at some stage will be going to attempt to cook bread on an open fire out in the field. And I'll use it for some stews and other things as well. So happy cooking, enjoy the great outdoors. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.